Hello, this is Miguel. I'm studying bachelor degree as a foreign languages from UNAT University, and today we're going to talk about the vowel sounds. And the first of all, we're going to start in different ways to explain kind of views about these vowel sounds in order to listen how to pronounce that vowels and a little examples about each one. Okay, so the first vowel that I'm going to how to pronounce is that vowel a a a, and the example for that vowel is sit, sit. Okay, the next is the letter E, but it's a kind of different because this is pronounced E, E, sit, sit, sit. Okay, the next, right here, you look another vowel sound, that is A, A, and the example is buck, buck. Okay, the next, this corner is O, 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 that is but, but, but. Okay, right here, this vowel sound, that is the letter E, E, and the example for that is left, left. Okay, let me check. The another vowel sound is the letter E, E. Okay, it's different. The sound for this in example is teacher, teacher. Okay, the next is the letter, is that sound that is pronounced ha, ha. In that case, the word heard, heard. Okay, the next, you look this sound that pronounce oh, 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 door, door. Okay, it's long. And the next, right here, that sound is the letter, sorry, is the sound a, a. And the example for that sound is cut, cut. Okay, right here, you look this sound, this symbol, that it pronounce a, and the word cup, cup, okay, cup. The next, you look this sound, okay, and this sound is ah, far, far. Okay, and finally, this is on the sound oh, on, okay, oh, on, this sound. You look and listen that the vowel sound has a different sounds, the vowels has a different sounds. Okay, so it's also you can improve your sounds, listen and pronouncing. That in that case, this is a good exercise to improve my vowel sound skills. That's great, and it's all. Thank you for watching that video. So I hope that you enjoy and learned. Bye bye.